illegally. You know what I'm talking about? So, check it out. First got it when he was 6, didn't know any tricks. Matter of fact, first time he got on the stick, blame it on his hip bend. Talk with a list.
This thing is so fun. You gotta drive it. First thoughts of driving the Model A.
First thoughts, my knee's gonna get a burn for sure.
Straight up, dude.
Right against it, dude. Second thoughts, shifter feels pretty good.
Yeah, man, it's good. Second gear's a little weird, but it's good.
Car
overall.
feels solid overall. It's just the only thing is like I can't drop a gear because it hits my steering wheel right
Yeah,
here.
so that's why you need to put your ass all the way
Like my ass
out.
is literally like on the thing.
All right.
I have just a long.
Oh, that's right. Usually we would have to take off the seat.
Second thoughts. What the fuck are these Mickey Thompsons? And why the hell is this steering wheel moving so much, bro? Oh shit.
I just want to clarify my seating position. I'm 6 foot. The Model A interior is super small, and that's why my hunchback is that hunched. I literally look like a skinny guru, bro. I'm dead.
Yeah, kid, you don't stop.